Hartman Adventures at them, man. What's going on, guys? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. I'm up here in Trelawney, me and Jamaica shore fishing, Jerry, and two brethren from Xtreme Fishers. Big up to Xtreme Fishers, big up Jamaica shore fishing. Guys, go over there, check out their channel. Gonna tag them in the description below. So go down there, click the link and follow the channel. Let them know Hartman Adventures sent you over there. But for today, guys, we're in Trelawney. We're up here with a group of children and a couple of adults. They are with the St. James Parish Council. A couple of months back, Jerry linked me and tell me, say, he's working with the St. James Parish Council and he wanted to do like a little adventure for some of the kids. Bring them out, show them that there are other alternatives to just staying inside watching some TV and something. So we're coming out to try and show them some of what we do. We just got on location, the kids are here. It's a little bit windy on the seaside, so I came around here so I can do the intro. But I wanted to say big thank you to Jerry and also the St. James Parish Council, who also helped to coordinate this event. It's gonna be an awesome day today. We're gonna show them what we do out here, and hopefully they can enjoy themselves and also catch a few fishes while doing that. Also want to send a big shout out to Rods Reels or Us JA. It's on Instagram. They're on Instagram. I'll tag them down in the video description. We contacted them to buy a fishing rod that we're gonna do a giveaway at the end of the day. Somebody's gonna win a fishing rod. When we contacted them and we explained what we were doing, right off the back they said that they are gonna donate an additional rod. So big up to Rods Reels or Us JA. I'll tag them in the description. They have a store in Kingston. I'll also put up the information for the store. So big up to Rods Reels or Us JA. Big up to the St. James Parish Council. Big up to Jamaica Shore Fishing Jerry, and also Xtreme Fishers. Big respect to Xtreme Fishers, because we told them that we're gonna do this today and they made the journey from all the way in Kingston down to Montego Bay on Friday. There are two types of license. You have the commercial license and you have the recreational license. The recreational license is, I think, $4,500, I think, and the commercial license is cheap. I think it's $1,700.
We're not realizing that
Andre. So we have Andre here and he's giving them some information.
Yes, because I want to become a fisherman.
So we have the other persons here.
Sorry, I can't wait to see my bike life.
My bike life?
Biting back, man. Come put it guys.
Alright, that's a more quiet. Give me that.
Everybody have a line. Everybody have a line now.
Yes, okay. So now we're going to set up hook and sinker. Yeah? Yes. So first we're going to make a loop. So this is the end of the line. We're going to move up about a foot or a foot and a half and make a loop, right?
This like one up more.
Right, that's good.
Put them nails on our with me
Go and give up. Go and give up.
So we're going to make a loop first, right?
After me. After road girl.
Alright, after we make a loop, we're going to make another loop like this. Like a hook. Everybody see this?
Yes.
Wait, oh, you make that?
Alright.
Make a loop and make another loop.
What am I put on this?
So not the loop.
Put down.
Alright, so we have this. Everybody see it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to make a loop.
Oh, that is the loop that you make for me already?
Like this. You see that loop? Now we're going to over.
Wait, the tide looks skill. Wait, man.
Again.
You not put in here that yet?
Is this one?
It's like you tie your shoes lace?
Yeah.
It's like this?
Like this.
We make for me already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Like that. See that? One try? Alright, so now you pull it tight. Alright, now you want to pull it tight. You want to go through again. But it's alright. Just do another same loop like you just did a while ago. Do another one like you just did. Yeah, same way. And then we pull it tight.
Same part are different.
Same. That's how you pull yours tight already. You just come up above the first loop that you made and make the second one. And pull it tight. See that? Everybody see that?
Perfection.
Alright. That's the dropper loop. Nobody never catch that. Let me catch it. Let me do it again. Let me do it again.
This not too big.
Not really. It can.
It's okay.
DJ, una be careful with Lamar Uka, Pio, Uno Uk.
Alright, everybody have them loop? You don't have no loop in the loop. Pull this up so cause it retain the memory, yeah. Alright, so first form a loop over, come through. Alright, go through a second time, pull it. Strong.
I fish them easier.
Very important, guys. Very important. This is called a target. Never, ever, ever drop this on the beach, in the water, anywhere.
What is it called?
Plastic. It's called a tag end.
Tag end. Okay.
Never drop it in the water because it's plastic. It doesn't break down. The fish eat it. The fish dead. Right? So we don't drop plastic in our water. We have a big problem in Jamaica right now where we have whole heap of plastic on the beach then. When this gets in our water, problem. We don't want to damage our ecosystem any more than it's damaged already. So we never drop this on the sand, on the rocks, in the water, nowhere. So first thing, if you have your bag, drop it in your bag, put it in your pocket or something, bring it home, throw it, put it in your dumpster. We don't drop that on the beach, alright? Alright, to put on a hook, come back to your loop.
Squeeze the top.
Squeeze the top of the loop.
Yeah.
Thread it through the needle to the eye of the hook. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
You have to squeeze it. No, squeeze.
Fingernails.
Watch it, them guy now. Watch them. Watch them.
Alright. So once you thread it through the eye of the hook,
Carry it to where the knot is.
carry it over the head of the boy, never leave it in granny, you know the string needle. You know the string needle, boy.
You can't find the hole. You can't find the hole of that one.
Yeah.
Shaky.
Squeeze it on. Squeeze it on. Mom, show you what.
Alright.
I'm helping. You sweat frosty like you're nervous, man.
No, man, you can't spring an eagle.
Please. You're sweat, man. You're nervous.
No sweat that is one of the brown stew, man.
What's that?
Bad.
In which they water?
Grease, man. Alright, see there? Ready again? Ready?
That's my team in the
Ready?
front. Yes.
Alright, so once you thread it through, bring the loop over the head of the...
You open it?
Yeah, man.
Yes, and bring it over.
Just bring it over the head of the hook.
One side, right?
Yeah, man. Just put it over one time.
And then I
And then just pull up your hook.
pull up the hook. Pull up the hook.
Pull up your hook.
I go time.
Yes.
Type on it.
Didn't
What
catch
happened
it?
here, so?
Yeah, man. That's
Okay.
good. That's good. That's good.
I want to make a touchdown.
Yeah, man. That's good. Good? Everybody have that?
Yes.
Good? Oh, good, good. Alright. So
That's that.
Go, Rashawn! Woo! That's an excellent throw! Don't pull it yet, leave it.
So you watch it.
Ryan, give me a ball.
I know back, I make both be at them. I put on one, put on this. No,
get anything? Alright, come, go and show again. Remember? No. Remember how I show you how to show it? No, man. Do it just like how I show you. Hold the top of your bottle. Hold the top of your bottle. Hold the top of your bottle down here, so. Yeah. Wheel up. Point the bottle to you see. Point the bottle to you see. Yeah, wheel up. Alright, let's try again. Huh? Let's try again. Yeah, hold the rod. Alright, bring it back. Careful, careful, careful. Alright, release it in front of you. Alright, yeah. Just like that. Now you close the bail. Close the bail. Yeah, and you can put it back in the rod holder. You put it back in the rod holder. Alright, there's one more thing that you should do when you put it back in the rod holder. Because if you put it down just like that and there's a big fish on it, everything gonna see. Alright, so when you put it in the rod holder, you want to turn this to the right. Turn it to the right, not too slack, not too much. Alright, and you test it. Alright, little bit too tight. Turn it to me, turn it to me. To me, no, other way, yeah. Pull on the line. Feel it? Turn it some more. Can you pull it out? That's good. So you leave it right there and you just reel up some. And you just leave it out there. Once you see that bow over, once you see it bow over or once you see it nudge like this, there's probably something on the line. You have it steady. When you come like this, you want to take a roll. When you reach over mid with the iron load, open the bill. Over here. Alright, turn face in the water. Turn face in the water. You don't have to put any power behind it. It's not force. Alright. What's the problem? Too high. I said between high and low, right in the middle. Go back your bail and reel up. Just gently bring it over the rock. Yeah, man. Alright, open your bail to the right. Always open your bail to the right. Hold the line first. Open the bail. Alright, face the water. Take a deep breath. Leg up it. Iron low in the middle. Alright, that's good. That's good. Close your bail. Firm grip. Get the tension on the line. We're not going to anything now. Stop there. Alright. So the ground here now. Alright, that's Teacher Rally
Yeah, man.
from Xtreme Fishers. Big up to Rally. All the way from Kingston just to be here and help us. So big up to Xtreme Fishers. We have O'Neil from Xtreme Fishers.
Yes, viewers, we are here
man.
having a great day with the kids them.
Yeah, man.
Adults also.
We have to say big up to Xtreme Fishers because they made the journey all the way from Kingston just for this day today, guys. So big respect to O'Neil and Rally. The young boss are trying to catch a trade. Everybody else are using online, but this boss.
Yeah, my peeps. Hartman, teacher of the day.
10-foot rod. This is a phantom optic reel. Now, a couple of things to rod and reel fishing. First thing, when you're casting, it's not about force, it's about technique. So you don't have to use the force to get the line out. We have this, what we call this right here. This is our bail. The bail keeps the line in place. So if I open the bail, if you notice, the line drop on the ground. Now close the bail, now bringing in the line, the bail bringing in the line. Right? So instead of me holding the line with my hand and pull it in, the bail does all of that. Now, to cast out, you want to open your bail always to the right. Always open the bail to the right. Put the rod over your head. You only need to look back to see if you're going to hit somebody or hit something. Always face the direction you want to cast. Always bring your rod over your head. You want to release your lines right there. Right? Now, you notice when I was opening my bail, in order for my line not to slip, use one finger. Just put one finger gently on the line. I don't have to squeeze it tight, just hook it and the line stays in place. So, to cast, open my head, and just release it. Right? Want to do it again? Rod tip. Behind. Check if anybody is there. Oh. Good. Ready to try? The rod is kind of tough. After the unit moves. Heavy? Too heavy? This hand, right hand. Right? Behind it to see if anybody's there. That's the only time you really need to look behind. Alright? Then bring it over here. 9, 8. Yeah, that's where you really need to look for your right. You don't want to release it. Right? So you just do it in slow motion. Everyone to line inside.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Excellent.
So now you close your bail. Close your bail. Put the rod in the rod holder. You can put the rod in the rod holder. There's one last thing to do before you you leave your rod. Yes, exactly. That's
Right.
bring it other way. Other way. So check it when you secure. I think that should be good. That should be good. You just leave it here. Once you're here, once a fish is on it, you'll see the rod nudging like this. Just look, you'll see the rod tip doing something like that.
Let's see. They're just on the meat.
Alright guys, so we have chef over here, so chef up a thing, you know. Hi. Yeah, do chefing.
Yes, he's just carrying them for me. Look, chef,
Where here, what going? Oh, so it's a one night egg chef and one night sous chef. Alright, alright.
Alright, man. Respect, man. Thank you guys. Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you guys for the experience. Beautiful experience, guys. I really
Yes,
enjoyed it,
man.
man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to my trainer right there. Very good. Oh my God.
Guys, that's what's up.
So we have Jerry from Jamaica Shore Fishing. Jamaica Shore Fishing. This is Anthony from Jamaica Shore Fishing as well. And this is O'Dane. He's with the St. James Parish Council. He's the one who also worked with Jerry to organize the trip today. So big up to O'Dane.
So I was like, am I catching anything, you know? But you know, my trainer right over here said to me, hey, this is a good spot. He said, try it all right out there and make a good throw for me.
So trainer, how you feel about your student?
My student is doing good. Careful the pectoral fins, these are sharp, this fish will stick you. I mean,
Hold the towel, hold the towel, hold the
hold the
towel.
towel, hold the towel.
Hold the towel,
Hold the fish.
yeah.
Yes, brother. So yes, he caught his fish today, guys. Look,
First fish,
first fish.
drop a loop.
That's what's up.
Yeah, man. Trust me guys, I admire this little girl's persistence. Of everybody here today, she's been, trust me, she's been probably the most persistent person on the beach today. Yeah, that's what I like about her. She's very persistent. She's very, very persistent. Yes!
That's
Guys, she finally got to cast the rod. Trust me, she finally got to cast the rod. Big up, Raleigh. Big up, bro. Alright, excuse.
For those who don't know me, I'm the name Jamal and here is coming teacher man for the Central School. I'll be there for the next couple of minutes. Let's see how that goes. But so far so good. And for Chad, your team, thanks for coming out as well. Hoping to see more numbers from your group. But alright, so let me pick up as well. Jamaica Shore Fishing. Jerry.
Thank you guys.
He was persistent, so this project was a goal.
Yes.
Very persistent. I put him off 1 or 2 times because the time never right. But eventually we still got it done. Hartman jumped on board after everything was planned. They were in from the get-go. Xtreme Fishers, sorry. Thank you so much for joining. And of course, guys, I want you to follow Reels and Rods JA. That's what it is?
Real Rods are us JA.
Real Rods are us JA.
So if you guys want
donate it to the event as well. So what we're going to give away today is all from them as well. So we appreciate that. Alright, so I'm going to hand over to Hartman. He's going to explain a few things to you guys and then we'll just get into the giveaway. Hartman.
Gotcha.
Hi again, guys. Alright, name is Andre Hart. Hartman Adventures on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can find me. Alright. TikTok. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. I don't post there, but I'm on there. Yeah, so alright, how the giveaway is gonna be done is we have 2 rods, brand new rods donated from Real Rods Are Us, JA, myself and Jerry. So what we were looking for people who were pretty persistent at getting it done. Not necessarily catching, but we wanted to see the effort. Trying, look like you're enjoying yourself, you're engaged, you're doing the activity, and you're trying to learn what we were trying to pass on. There are a couple of candidates that were really standing out. My friend over here, what's her name?
Britannia, yes.
She's one of the candidates that we really observed. She was pretty persistent. One thing that I really admired about her is that she's mute and she's also hearing him. We don't have anyone here that can really sign to her to explain what was happening, but she persisted, and even though she was failing to begin with, she didn't give up. So credit to her. Give her a round of applause.
Applause, guys. That's what's up.
Alright, the other one is Little Rastaman. That little guy. He's another candidate.
And what's his name?
What's your name, bro?
Tough.
Tough.
Alright, Tough.
Why we chose Tough is because from we got here and Tough get him take a hand line. Him not catch nothing but him a throw line same way. Him go out, him come back, him get some more bait. Him bait gone, him come back, and the entire time him just persistent, him a try, him a enjoy himself. Him come, him ask to use the rod, him want to teach him more. So credit to you, Tough. Give him a round of applause. And the other candidate is this little man right here. Trust me, him impressed me with how quickly him pick up on stuff. Second class. We teach him one time and in second class perfect. Perfect. And him just keep on trying and all of that. Even the rod, my 9-foot rod, cast perfect.
I seen that.
Perfect cast with a 9-foot
I witnessed
rod.
that one.
So I'm very impressed with that. So they are the 3 that will be entering the raffle to win one of the rods. The other person who will be winning a rod is this brother in the red shirt. Man go all out today, get him hooked up.
That's right.
Everything, so him gonna win one and then we're gonna raffle for these 3. Alright?
So
sorry for those who did not win, but
There's gonna be a next time.
Yeah, there's
Yes.
gonna be a next
Guys,
time.
we're gonna
And
have
we-
other
we
trips.
appreciate
Yes.
your participation and having you guys here. Alright? Yeah man, next time hopefully we can get some, if we don't work at some nice place downtown after some sponsorship to the event next time. So hopefully next time we can have some more giveaways, some more rods.
and
for
makes it
everybody
even
to
better.
use.
Yep.
Because when everybody have a rod to use, then it's more enjoyable. You learn faster and everything like that.
That's right.
So if you can get a rod and bring it next time, that would be good. So yes people, that's it for today. We had a thoroughly adventurous day today. We enjoyed it out here with the kids, with the adults and everybody. So I want to say big up to Jamaica Shore Fishing. This is our first time really linking up and doing a video.
I cried, I lost nylon.
Win not.
I lost nylon, people, look at this.
So yeah, it was a great day out here with Jamaica Shore Fishing.
Yo.
He linked me and say he want to put on
People,
this.
let me tell you something. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Hartman Adventures. Yo, brother, in bad. You have to check him out. You hear me? And trust me, guys, on any adventures, link us, guys, and we can go together. We can do cooking, camping, anything. Big up yourself.
Big
Outside.
up, big up. So big up Jamaica Shore Fishing and Jerry. Also big up to Xtreme Fishers as I head back Kingston now. So we're about to pack up and leave and go home. So that's it for today's adventure. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Check out the guys' channel in the description and catch you in the next video.